Did you know you can access premium tools for free in 2024? That's right. Today, I'm excited to share how you can unlock powerful features without spending a dime with Victor Tech Ideal. Today's video will be talking about none other than the most used graphics interface called Canva. Now let's talk about the common struggles we face with Canva. The cost can be overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out or if you're a student. The free version has limitations that can be frustrating, and we all want access to premium templates, stock photos, and advanced features.
That's what I'm talking
How can
about!
you access Canva Pro for free in 2024? Here's the scoop. First, find a friend or colleague who already has a Canva Pro subscription. They can send you an invite link to join their team. Make sure to ask someone who actively uses it. Once you receive the link, just click on it, and it will guide you through the sign-up process to get the Pro version. Another option is to sign up as a teacher. Fill in the required information, and you may gain access to a free Pro version through Canva's education program. You can also follow Canva on their social media channels, as they often run promotions or giveaways that could provide you with free Pro access. Lastly, consider signing up for a group account. Share the subscription with others and charge a small fee. Before you know it, you have already recovered your money.